branch to be.
FNSE Ikeja Branch.
We are the branch to be.
FNSE Ikeja Branch.
We are the branch.
Oluwafemi Awoyinfa, FNSE FAEng, formerly called known as Engineer Olu Awoyinfa, is a man of sterling character, numerous accolades, and landmark contribution to the engineering profession. He was born on Monday, 21st, 1942, a date of personal significance to me as well. We are bonded by more than just history. We shared a birthday, and I count that a special honor indeed. June 1st is a mark by destiny. Engineer Awoyinfa was a seasoned professional whose journey spanned over 75 remarkable years until his passing away on Tuesday, August 15, 2017. He dedicated more than 5 decades to sharing and advancing the engineering profession.
Branch of the FNSE like Ikeja Branch. He's the 32nd branch of the FNSE. He's a
that you will defend and uphold at all times the memorandum and article of association of Nigerian Engineers of all matters dealt by her in accordance with the provision of the said memorandum and article of association of the society.
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to undertake and promote the society at all times?
Yes, I do.
Do you promise to conduct yourself always and all the demanding manner in the society and never goes to the ethics and purpose? Do you promise to look after the interests and welfare of your fellow engineers and members of society?
Yes, I do.
7. Do you promise not to claim the children given and the right action? How society can make action and society will take more action against you? Yes, you promise. Do you promise to meet all your application to society and serve selflessly to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do.
Thank you very much.
building a viable engineering
Say your name. I. Before everyone present at this induction ceremony, pledged and sworn to uphold and defend the memorandum an article of association of the Nigerian Society of Engineers to conduct my engineering practice with discipline, sincerity, and fairness, and to show interest in the affairs and welfare of my fellow engineers and members. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you, Nacho, the best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja Branch. The best of the best. The second to none is Ikeja Branch. With God on our side, will be no fair and wide where the branch to watch. With wisdom we will lead, and discretion we will build, will be known for certain. Together we will make a great nation proud. Innovations and professionalism all around. The best of the best, the second to none is the